Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to delete a transaction from QuickBooks. Right here I have a receiver and it's already been closed and synchronized with QuickBooks. You can see a little icon over here that says Accounting Integration. I click on that and I'll see the date and time that it was synced. So this was synced on April 25th, and if I want to delete it out of QuickBooks, I just undo sync. Now let's say, as you can see, what happens there is that the status gets out of close and back into processing. So in this particular one, I never want to sync it, so I just go back into my accounting integration and I go prevent sync. So at this point, this transaction will not synchronize. If I change my mind, I go back to the accounting and allow sync. I'm not going to do that. So all I have to do now is close this transaction and it'll no longer go into QuickBooks. This process works equally well on ship docs, adjustments, work orders, anything that gets synchronized to QuickBooks. Thank you.